there.
I am sitting with Chalise.
Yes.
I walked into her store and I saw some products that I want to buy because, as you see, I have really bad acne. And I saw this product, and this is called the Loofah.
It's a cleansing kit. So it's got black soap and shea butter and a loofah sponge. Where's my loofah sponge?
So this is the black soap. Mm-hmm. It's called the African soap.
Right.
It smells really good. You guys see that?
Right. So with that, I took a bar of black soap and I cut it up so that you can just take little pieces of the black soap one at a time.
Okay. I'm going to just put it on my face.
And use it and put it in. Oops, I flew that one all over the place. But you would just take it and you would put a piece in your hand and you just use it like a regular soap bar.
Okay, so how would I use the sponge with it?
So then you could take this loofah, you can wet it as well. And it's just one, there's two sponges in here, but you can take one and soak it in some water, and it will turn into a bigger sponge. So then you take the sponge and the loofah and the wet soap, and then you start to exfoliate.
Oh.
Exfoliate is how you cleanse the dead skin off of your skin. It just kind of removes the layer of dead skin that causes your skin to be dull and lack of luster and shine. So you remove that, and then once you do, you pat your face dry, and then you come back with shea butter.
Shea butter. And why is shea butter good for my skin too?
Shea butter is the most natural, organic butter or moisturizer that you can use for your skin. Black soap and shea butter in combination is what African people of Ghana, which is where this comes from, use on their babies when they first are born and continuously. It's just one of those natural things. You don't need anything extra most of the time, even for our skin.
So when I do the shea butter,
yes,
will I need some moisturizer after, or just the shea butter?
Shea butter is the moisturizer.
Oh, wow.
Shea butter is the moisturizer, and it's just a little bit. Can you see that? A little bit goes a long way. You don't need any more than that. I'm just going to show you. I've already got it on my skin, so you can see that there's a kind of a glow. And if you were to just put it on your skin, you see, versus that, that's a lot. You don't need that much. So I'm going to spread it down here, and you see just a glow.
Nice.
So it just does that to your skin, and it lasts a long time too. You can put it all over your body. But when people tell me they have a question like you do, oh, I've got these bumps, or I've got this acne, I got this rash or whatever, a lot of times your skin is not as bad as you think it is, and it doesn't need as much help as you might think it does. Sometimes all you need is to wash your face and exfoliate. That's all.
So when am I able to see the results?
Oh, you can see the results the first time you do it. Now, if you're talking about a healing of your skin or a removing of those blemishes or acne, it's different for everybody. But you can tell that something has happened. Once you cleanse your face, if you've never exfoliated before, you will really be able to tell the difference.
Nice.
You exfoliate, you know, soap your face up really good, wash it really good. And you all remember, I'm probably going way over time. But you all remember when you used to push up your nose like that and you would see these little white things come out?
Oh, God,
Look like these wormy things? I don't have that anymore because of exfoliation. So when you wash, you're cleansing the pores of your skin. So when you remove those things and you do it on a regular basis, you will see the results, period.
Oh, wow.
And then you come back after you have cleansed and you pat it dry. You put that shea butter on there, you're going to feel like a new person anyway. It's just going to make you feel better. Feel like you're clean and feels like you're moisturized. And then you can come back during the day and just rehydrate or re-moisturize that skin with shea butter, because you can use it as often as you want. So cleansing with a good soap, loofah 2 to 3 times a week, and then